I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Confirm TPM2, 0 and Secure Boot because Windows Hello needs hardware security. Once those are set, sign into Windows with a Microsoft or local account and create a PIN. Windows requires it as a fallback. Next, connect or enable your IR/depth camera and make sure drivers are up to date. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and then Sign in Options. Now click Windows Hello Face to start registration. This is the first actionable step to capture your face data securely. Once you click Setup, the camera will guide you. Center your face and follow prompts. Move your head slowly when asked, tilt and turn so the system captures varied angles. This improves recognition accuracy. Keep a neutral expression and hold still for around 10 to 15 seconds while the device scans. Make sure ambient lighting is balanced. Too bright or backlit scenes reduce quality. When done, Windows will confirm enrollment and show success. If you need better accuracy, repeat enrollment or add an alternate appearance. Finish by enabling additional options like requiring presence or dynamic lock, depending on your preferences. Lock the PC and test face unlock several times in normal lighting and with accessories you commonly wear. If Windows fails to recognize you, enroll an alternate appearance or rerun the setup for better angles. For persistent issues, update or reinstall the camera driver, verify TPM status in device security, and toggle Windows Hello Face off and on in settings. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.